Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine enjoying a fluffy scramble or a perfectly formed fried egg, all made entirely from plants. That's exactly what you can achieve with humble mung beans. These tiny legumes magically transform into a delicious, guilt-free alternative to traditional eggs, offering incredible taste and texture without any cholesterol. They're perfect for breakfast burritos, savory toasts, or even a classic egg sandwich. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to whip up this innovative and healthy meal option right in your own kitchen. Creating your own vegan eggs starts with gathering just a few readily available ingredients. The absolute hero of this recipe is 1 cup of dried, split mung beans, which you can find at most Asian grocery stores or online. Beyond that, you'll need water for soaking and blending, plus a few essential seasonings. Black salt, or kala namak, provides that distinct sulfurous, eggy aroma, while a pinch of turmeric gives a beautiful yellow color. Nutritional yeast adds a cheesy, savory depth, completing the perfect flavor profile. The first crucial step in making your vegan eggs is preparation. Start by taking your 1 cup of dried mung beans and soaking them in plenty of water for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, let them soak overnight in the refrigerator. This step is essential for softening the beans and making them blendable. Once soaked, drain and rinse them thoroughly under cold water. Then, transfer the softened beans to a high-speed blender, adding your fresh water and all the spices. After blending, you should have a smooth, thick batter, much like pancake mix. Now it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan with a little oil over medium heat. If you're making scrambled eggs, simply pour the batter into the hot pan. As it starts to set, use a spatula to gently break it apart, creating fluffy, scrambled pieces. For fried eggs, pour a smaller amount, letting it cook undisturbed until the edges crisp up, then carefully flip it if desired. Cook until golden brown and firm. Once your delicious mung bean eggs are cooked to perfection, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them warm, either as a hearty scramble alongside some toast and avocado, or as a fried egg on a breakfast sandwich. Don't be afraid to customize them. Try stirring in some diced onions, bell peppers, or fresh spinach while they cook. They are incredibly versatile and absorb flavors beautifully. This plant-based alternative offers a fantastic way to enjoy the classic comfort of eggs, guilt-free any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.